Hi everybody. So I've been asked a few times how to access the OneNote. So I wanted to show you. So if we go to our classroom, I've got a bookmark here, Google Classroom. I'll just click on, say, Algebra 2 Orange. And it's the same for every class. If I go to my classwork, you'll see resources as a topic on the left. And the first option is to go to the Bitmoji classroom right here, and you'll see the OneNote link, either Algebra 2 or Calc. So those are clickable, and it'll take you straight there. Once you're here, though, you may need to navigate a bit because it's organized into notebooks with sections. So it took me just straight to the first slide, which is day one. This was actually the second day of school we first used the notebook. Then you'll see polynomials, then rational exponents. I don't know what this extra section is. But since it's all online, it takes a little bit to load. If I click rational exponents, then we've got all the sections. You can see we spend more time on section 5.2, but right now, today's date is Wednesday, November 18th. So if I click on 5.3, which is what we we're just working on today, you'll see it takes a moment to load, but it'll eventually come up and it'll have all the notes from today already updated. So this is actually Tuesday the 17th, and then if we scroll down, this won't let me zoom in and out too well. So it's not as nice as in the app. I guess some of my writing is big or small, and also it may not look precisely like the ones you saw in class because I have 4 Algebra 2 classes, so I often erase and rewrite it. But that's how you get to the OneNote notes. If you don't want to go through the Bitmoji, I think I also had posted them if you scroll down here as a material in the same web page with that link, and then you can navigate to any of the notes. If you even want to look at notes from another class, you could, if you're curious to learn a little calculus on your own time. All right, well, I hope that was helpful for everybody, and have a great day.